Hi all, welcome back to another vlog from the Yercaud series. Next day, after much confusion between Sky Park and Bird Park, we settled with Bird Park. We could not go to the Sky Park as we had very less time. On the way to the Bird Park, there were many fruit stalls and the fruits were really fresh. That was the entrance of the park. The entry fee was 300 per person, and in the course of the vlog I'll share if the experience was worth it. They had a small cafe here where juice and snacks was available. They have a vast area for parking which could accommodate many cars. At the entrance, the staff made sure to provide sanitizer to avoid any infection to the birds. In the first section of the park, they had different kinds of poultry like hens, turkey and emu. All the staffs were so loving and compassionate to their birds or animals. They talk and play with them and they make sure they do not harm themselves by any means. This is again the disinfectant to remove all possible germs from our footwear. In this whole area, the birds are not caged and it was exciting to see the birds fly freely. At the entrance, 4 to 5 sunflower seeds are given to each person so that they can attract birds towards them. Here's a raw video just for the chirping sound. Looked like the birds were tired of eating seeds every day and they were trying to eat our shirt button, chains and sunglasses. This bird was not ready to trust anybody. They tried so hard to call it, but it was not ready to come. To bigger birds like these, muskmelon and papaya was given to feed, but none of them were ready to come. Feeding ostrich was so fun and at the same time thrilling. They gave mint leaves for it. This ostrich on default was doing the eating action. For duck, they gave something like fish food and it was eating in such a cute way. There were also goats and rabbits. For both of them, wheatgrass was given. That's the end of the park, and personally I felt very satisfied. The 300 rupees paid was worth every penny. The place was so neatly maintained. No foul odor, the birds looked so colorful, neat. Washrooms were also neat and clean. So definitely it's a must visit spot. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.